So today I'll tell you how you can install fonts in your PC. So we'll open our browser. Now, for example, I want the Harry Potter font, so I'll type Harry Potter font. Click enter. Now here you can open any of the websites. Now scroll down and you will see many fonts. So I'll like this one, Harry P. Now click on free download. This might be different for other websites, but download the file. Open in folder. Extract all. Extract. So this is extracted. Now installing font is very easy. Just open the TrueType font file. So over here you can see every character. Now click on install. So I'll replace it. Installing. So it is installed. Now even if you delete these files, the font will still be there. So I'll delete this. Now I'll show you the font. So I'll open Word for that. Blank document. Go in font. I'll type Harry P. So I'll select the font. I'll increase the font size. Yeah, so the font is working.